Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. You know, I have to say, I got a comment in the last video that makes me feel really good. If I could blush, man, I'd be blood red right now if I could blush. Or purple or whatever the hell color people blush. I don't know, because I don't blush. Someone said to me, man, I wish it was a Netflix series so I could binge watch it. You know, that made me feel good right there, to know that someone would really binge watch me building this car. It's coming along good, but now it's time to do some more work. So what I'm doing in this episode is all the glass are going back in, so it's gonna finally looking like a car again. So the front glass, the two side glass, the back glass is going in, and then I'm going to be doing the back deck and putting my nice roof liner in. Wait till you guys see this thing. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you will see I posted it a while back, months back, and love the way it turned out. But I guarantee you it's gonna look better in the car. And guys, remember, if you like what you see, and I know you like what you see, so hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, ask any questions you want, because I guarantee you most likely I'm gonna have an answer when it comes to this thing, because I ripped this thing completely apart. But let's jump right into it. Here's the back deck liner. I had done it in, I had flocked it, but I missed a spot. I tried to touch it in, it didn't come in too good. So I had him redo it in Alcantara, and this is the soft one. It's not just the Alcantara, this is the padded one. It feels good, just I hope everything fits properly, because it's much thicker now. Now here is the new roof liner, and man, did it turn out good. Just look at it. Harold, you do some good work. And guys, I will have their information in the description. But look at this thing. It was done in-house, and man, is it looking good. And we're also going to do some seat belts. And yes, look at the collar. These seat belts were done by L&D Solutions. Just reach out to Dennis and he will hook you up. Tell him you saw it on Fat Mod's channel in Canada, and he will hook you up. But check these things out, man. I had those black ones, one that had a nick in it, so I had them redone, and man, just I can't wait to get these things in the car. So we got the belt, we have the roof liner, we have the back deck, and a few other things going in today. So I'm gonna get going on the installs. Now I got the handles and that hanger hook to help hold the liner down, so I'm gonna put these in right now, because that's what helps hold. The back has two clips, the front has no clips. So once the door handle and the oh shit handles go in, it will hold the roof liner up. I also have my visors redone in Alcantara also, and he used the soft stuff on here too, not just the Alcantara but the padded one. This stuff is so nice. So I'm gonna just install these, and then the roof is almost done. Believe it or not, I just have to plug the lights in and the roof is done. Almost there. Now I gotta put these child safety hooks, or whatever the heck you wanna call them, back inside. And that will be, oh, the speakers. I gotta find those freaking things. Everything is packed away. That is the issue right there. See if I remember how to put this stuff back together. That goes in with that. Things that make you go, Okay, so where the hell is the other one? What the hell? Bada boom, bada bang. These are coming together. Time to put in some speakers. I still haven't found that piece yet. The thing is, I found it the other day, I cleaned it up, and then I hid it from myself, which is so typical of me. Son of a... Man, oh well. Man, I'm so glad I did all this. I mean, I was having doubts at one time, thinking it's taking so long to get back together, but now that it's going back together, it's looking good. So let me show you the back deck. Yeah, I'm still missing that. It's around here somewhere. If I don't find it, I'll buy it. But there it is, nice and soft Alcantara. A lot of cleaning up to do later. And speakers are in. So the back is done. Once you put the glass in, that's done. I can put the other pieces in. And that's it for the back. There's a few pieces I have to do back there, but that can wait. But that's it. But there you go. Time to put in these bad boys. Oh yeah, baby. Man, I don't know if it's too much, but I'm telling you, this thing looks good. It looks way better in person. Now let's see, how did this thing go back together? Glass is in. Now it's starting to look like a car. So back, side, side, front.
Perfect, we were worth it. So many fouls, and we cried, and then I said I'm sorry for saying you love me. You're calling me now, but I can't pick up. The shadows too close, and I'm still in love. It's almost over now, but somehow it still breaks my heart. We could have had to stop.
Well, that's another part put back together, and I'm telling you, it's starting to look like a car now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna start putting all the trim back on the outside, and I'm still waiting. What am I waiting on? I gotta do the bumper, but I'm working on the headlights or something, I don't know. But my wheels, that's a whole new story. But as you can see, the car's looking good. Now, stay tuned for more because there's a lot more to come. I mean, I can't wait to get the interior back and start putting the rest of it back together. But guys, that's it for now. Laters.